Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Kahoot account that was charged. This ensures you're modifying the right subscription. Once logged in, open account or billing to confirm the exact plan name because cancellation options differ by plan. Make sure to check payment details and note the last 4 digits of the card. This helps if you need support. If the subscription was purchased through Apple, Google, or a reseller, you must cancel there. Otherwise, continue here. Now navigate to Settings, then Billing or Manage Subscription. This is where Kahoot lists active plans. You'll see options like Cancel Plan, Change Plan, or Turn off Auto Renewal. Select Cancel Plan to begin. Kahoot asks why you're canceling. Choose a reason and proceed because this step triggers the system to schedule the end date. Once done, watch for the confirmation screen and an email receipt that states when access ends and whether you're eligible for a refund. Finish by confirming the cancellation email. It contains the final billing date and next steps. If your subscription was billed through Apple or Google Play, make sure you canceled within their subscriptions page because Kahoot cannot stop those charges directly. If you don't receive confirmation, check spam, then contact Kahoot support with your account email and last 4 card digits. This speeds resolution. If charges continue after cancellation, request a refund and include.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.